I am going to install Final Cut Pro 11, which is the latest version on a virtual Mac computer. So let's see whether it is able to run it or the system crashes. So you can easily download the free version of Final Cut Pro from Apple's website. You can just go to google.com and then type Final Cut Pro and hit the return key of your keyboard. And here you will see Final Cut Pro for Mac. Just click over there, it will be like this page. First thing is to download it. You can use this button, free trial, and once you click here, it will give you the message you can try Final Cut Pro for 90 days. So that is very long time, I will say. So we have to click the download now button. Once you click here, it will give you this option. Because Safari is asking, are you sure you want to download? Yes, I am sure. So I'm going to click the allow button, and very shortly you'll see Final Cut Pro start downloading. Once the download is finished, you will actually install it, and it is showing like 6 GB of space, and it is showing me like 3 minutes to finish the download. I'll come back after the download is finished. Now our download is finished. I'm going to install it from the downloads folder. So I'm going to close this thing. We don't need it anymore. I just closed it. Now access Finder, then click the downloads, and here you will see Final Cut Pro trial.dmg. Just double click over there to start the installation. It will bring you this screen. Again double click over there, and very shortly it will be copied to your applications folder of Final Cut Pro. So here it is showing the installation window. This is like Windows. Just press the continue button, then we have to press the continue button one more time, and here showing to continue installation the software you must agree to the terms of the software license agreement. So I am going to press this button agree, otherwise I cannot install. And here it is showing it will take like 7 GB of space. That's fine. I'm going to press the install button, and very shortly it will start the installation. It will take some time, like 30 seconds probably, and it is asking the password. I'm going to type the password of my Mac, which is the virtual Mac, then press the install button, and very shortly it is going to install. The progress bar, it is started. Once the installation is finished, now it will bring us this window, green tick mark and a close button. I'm going to press the close button to close this screen. It is asking, do you want to move the Final Cut Pro trial installer to the trash? Yes, I don't need the installer anymore, so I'm going to press this move to trash button. Now close this all the screen, this too. Now try to run the Final Cut Pro. Just click the spotlight search and start typing final, and you will see Final Cut Pro will be there. Here is the Final Cut Pro. Just double click over there or single click, whatever you want, and very shortly the Final Cut Pro screen will be appeared. Yes, it is coming. Let's see whether it is able to run it or not. Okay, now we are getting this message, graphics configuration not supported. This graphics configuration does not support hardware acceleration which is required to run the Final Cut Pro trial. So basically it will not run. So we have to press the quiet button. It is not working in virtual environment, but many people in YouTube, I found that they are able to successfully run Final Cut Pro on virtual machine. I just showed you, and again I'm showing you this is really a virtual machine. It's not a real machine. See, Apple Virtual Machine 1, and here is the, it is clearly mentioned. If you want to see more details, it will also give you more details about this machine. So Apple Virtual Machine 1, and these are completely virtual. So basically Final Cut Pro, it will not run. Many people, they are able to install this thing, but I don't believe. So I just tried and I failed. So thank you guys for watching the video.